So, if they're not in the dealership, who cares? Have them send some pictures of the vehicle, pictures, same ones you should be taking at your store when you're actually doing the physical check-in of the vehicle. Opposite corners, front and back, the odometer, multiple VIN numbers to make sure they all match up, something with the trunk open, something with the doors open, inside of the dash when, all the lights could be on or off, hood up. Video would be even better, right? So anything like that where you get a good idea of how this vehicle looks. Then you ask questions about the mechanical, cosmetic condition of the vehicle, again, based on mutual honest disclosure. We get if they owe any money on it. We see the registrations. We should get pictures of this stuff. They should be sent into us, right? If they're not with us, we need them when they're there. Picture of their driver's license. We know it's in their name. So at this point, we know branding, we know year, make, model, conditions, all kinds of stuff with the vehicle. And we can do this market assessment as long as it's traded in within a reasonable time. And we have a chance when it comes in to do a full physical assessment of the car. We should be able to do appraisals from anywhere. It really doesn't matter anymore. Plus, you're not really doing appraisals, you're doing market assessments. We have to tell the customer that.